it's Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions, and I want to say baking my ass off, but not yet. It's going to be hot today. We're in Eaton, Colorado, and we are doing inventory for the Born Collection Auction. Guys, this is absolutely an amazing, amazing collection. There's approximately 250 to 275 signs and collector cars. This is generations of old Fords, Plymouths, Chevrolets, and more, and you will not want to miss it. This is live on site with online bidding, and we're doing inventory today, so stay tuned. We're going to be getting you video and everything from the next few days, but I'm going to show you, before I get started here, a little bit of what we're working with. The Borns have been collecting since the 60s and 70s, and this, Doug passed away, the dad passed away, and we are starting, the boys are going to let some of this collection go, and these are amazing. We're just starting to get them out and doing inventory. The sale is September 19th in Eaton, Colorado. And if you like the old Fords and Chevys and Plymouths, 30s, 40s, teens, Model Ts, quite amazing. And Daloff did a video, and you can watch that. We have a bunch of the project stuff here, so it's going to be a full day. It's lined up perfect, absolutely perfect. These out here are projects and parts. There's some really good projects in here, a lot of good stuff if you were looking to build a rat rod or a street rod. And again, September 19th in Eaton, Colorado. We got the Rocky Mountains in the background there. So we're going to be starting with this. Colorado. Make sure to like our Facebook page and Instagram, TikTok, X, and follow that YouTube channel, Vanderbrink Auctions LLC, and follow along this weekend as we do inventory for the Born Collection auction.